Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today a quick video how to remove or replace front bumper cover on Land Rover Discovery. We're talking here about, we're working on a 2000 model I believe, but 99, probably to 2005 should work. The facelift in 2003 might differ some, so you need to check that, but for sure 99 to 2002, 3 should work. So we'll show you guys. Okay, you know the bumper has right and left side, or I mean the other way, facing the vehicle. We'll show you on this side, and what we do on this side, you will have to do exactly the same procedure on the left side. That way, we don't just have a boring long video guys, we're just gonna show you this side quick, because we need to disassemble it. So there is 3 screws now that we'll need to remove with a Phillips screwdriver here. This is for the splash guard. Okay, and once we remove it, I'm gonna show you where exactly everything is. Stay with us guys. Check out our website mechaniclifestyle.com. we'll have links for all the tools and parts we use on our vehicles. We're still building it, but I think it's gonna grow really big. We'll put quite a bit of time in it. So we need a 10mm now. Okay, 10mm socket, and right here we need to remove, okay, two nuts that hold the splash guard. Okay, it didn't go all the way, so we need to go get a wrench. Okay, all we did was turn the tire straight, and this one is out of there. You can see the splash guard will come out of the way now. Okay, you can have 2 clicks here, that if you want to remove the whole piece you could, but otherwise it just stays on the vehicle. Okay, now on top right there guys, there is 2 with 13mm socket, 2 nuts. Okay, once we remove it, I'll show you exactly where they are. It's impossible. Impossible to get the camera there. Okay, the top one we will have to do by hand, because we cannot get the impact all the way in. Okay, out of there, that nut as well. Now we have one bolt that we need to get loose. Don't take it off all the way. There is a bolt right there on the side of the bumper. Okay, let me see if I can get a good view. No, impossible. Okay, with a 13mm, let me show you on the right side. Okay, right here on this side, you can see I'm talking about the bolt right there. Okay, it has rubber bushing behind it. Okay, this one right there. You can see where it's located. That's what we have on this side too. But we have the windshield washer reservoir there, so it's impossible for me to show you. But you need to get the 13mm and get it loose. A couple revolutions only. Do not take off the whole nut. Not all the way. Okay, everything's done on this side. Don't forget to do the same procedure to this side as well. So now we should be able to pull out. Okay, that's the bolt that we're talking about. You can see it through the headlight, but it's a little bit stuck there. We need to get it loose just a little bit more. Okay guys, we got it with the wrench there. Alright, let's see if it's loose enough to come out now. Okay, it's out on this side. And then underneath we have 3 more screws I forgot to mention. On the bottom with Phillips screwdriver, you will see them. So go ahead and remove those. Alright guys, and the bumper, the whole front bumper cover assembly is out of the way, you can see, just like that. That's how you guys remove it. Let me show you now where all the bolts are. Okay, so when you flip it this way, now you can see better. This bolt, this nut, you need to get it loose a little bit. That's where it slides. Okay, this is the one that slides right here. Okay, then you have two nuts with a 10mm right here. On the bottom you have two nuts there, that bolt again, and you have the 3 screws underneath. So that's all guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.